up, you guys? Welcome back to Sprinkle Sugar Pop. If you're new, my name is Christina. Welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create this beautiful box. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so here are the things that you need. 6 strawberries, mini cupcake liners, edible images, fondant, white and brown, chocolate, 1 for your heart and 1 for your strawberries, candy coloring by Color Mill in the colors sky blue and lemon, your breakable heart mold, your letter mold, and sprinkles, and cloud cutters, and your rolling pin. Okay, so now we are going to start melting our chocolate. Now that our chocolate is fully melted, we are going to start coloring it with the Color Mill candy coloring in the color sky blue. Once your chocolate is fully colored, we are going to add it into our heart mold. Make sure to cover all the edges and all the creases. I like to drop it a couple times just to make sure it doesn't have any air bubbles. And then pop it in the fridge for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, our heart is in the fridge. Let's start working on our strawberries. Now that our chocolate is fully melted, we are going to start coloring it. At first I was gonna do the strawberries yellow, but I was like, no, you know what? I'll just do the letters yellow and the strawberries pink. To achieve a soft pink, just add a small drop. As you can see, my chocolate is a little bit runny, so we're just going to set it to the side so it can chill for a bit because we don't want to dip our strawberries in a very runny consistency. So meanwhile our chocolate chills, we're going to go ahead and start working on our letters. We are going to be coloring our chocolate with the color lemon from Color Mill. This color lemon, it's so beautiful. I prefer this one over the regular yellow. Drop it a couple times to release any air bubbles. Okay, so now that our chocolate is not too runny, we are going to start dipping our strawberries. Okay, so meanwhile our strawberries dry, we are going to start adding the second layer to our heart. When I'm working on the heart, I like to use popsicle sticks, but I did run out of popsicle sticks, so I am using a apple stick. It does work, but it's a little bit harder to work with. So once you're done with the edges, go ahead and add the extra chocolate to the center and spread it all over. Once you're done, pop it in the fridge until it hardens. Don't leave it in the fridge for way too long because it will start to sweat. Moving on to our strawberries, now that they are completely dry, we are going to start adding pink drizzle. Now let's start setting up the box. Just because our heart is almost ready, I decided to go with sprinkles because of the donuts. Of course, if you don't want to add sprinkles, you can go ahead and add shredded paper or tissue paper or whatever you normally add to your boxes. But I feel that the sprinkles gives it like a pop, like a unique, I don't know, touch. Okay, so now it's time to remove the heart from the mold. This is the scariest part, so please take your time, do it gentle because you do not want to break anything. Now let's start adding our strawberries in the box. Try to put the bigger ones towards the back and the smallest towards the front. Moving on to the edible images, there's two ways that you can do to attach the edible images to the strawberries. One, you can use chocolate, or two, you can use an edible glue. I get asked a lot about my edible images. I am planning on doing a separate video on that, so stay tuned. We are almost done, you guys, so now we are going to start working on our clouds. Start placing your clouds on top of the heart. You can glue your clouds to the heart with chocolate or with an edible glue. If your fondant is a little bit sticky, you can just go ahead and press down slightly and it will stay on the chocolate. But if your fondant is a little bit dry, I do recommend to glue it with chocolate or with an edible glue. So meanwhile we wait on the missing letters that I put in the fridge, I'm going to show you guys how to create these beautiful donuts. At first I didn't plan on adding these donuts to the box, but I realized, you know what, it does need that extra pop, so good thing I did add these donuts because it looks so freaking cute, you guys, so cute. So to make the hole in the donut, you will need this fondant tool. I honestly don't know the name of this fondant tool, but I will be putting the link down below. We are finally done, you guys. I went ahead and added the rest of the letters and the donuts. If you guys do recreate this box, please tag me on Instagram at sprinklesugarpop. Comment down below what theme should I do next. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss out on any future videos. And thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!